Starting in visionOS 26, widgets integrate seamlessly into your space and reappear every time you put on Apple Vision Pro. We'll show you how to choose a widget, anchor it to your wall, and customize its look. To get started, tap the Widgets app in your home view. You can check out the suggested widgets or select an app from the list on the left. We'll select Photos. Now just swipe through the options. For photos, you can choose panoramas, spatial photos, or posters. When you find a widget you want to add to your space, tap Add Widget. Next, pinch and drag the window bar at the bottom of the widget and anchor it to a surface like a wall. Once you release your fingers, the widget appears. Some widgets display the customization tools automatically when you place them in your space. Otherwise, you can tap the Edit button. For example, here you can choose your favorite album and customize the frame. When you're finished, tap Done to save your widget. Widgets stay wherever you put them and appear every time you put on your Apple Vision Pro. So you can decorate each room of your home with your photos, your music library, your calendar, and more. To move a widget, just look at it, and then pinch and hold your fingers until the window bar appears. Then pinch and hold the window bar and drag it to a new spot. If you decide to remove a widget, pinch and hold it, and then tap the Close button. And that's it. Decorate your space with customized widgets.